Now I'm going to talk to you about a different cleaning process for your contacts, something that's a little bit more involved and something that you should pay careful attention to, because I don't want you to take this information and not do it the right way. There is a peroxide-based solutions on the market. This is just one of them. It's identified also by this warning: do not put this directly into your eyes, red top. This is for people who may wear contacts a little bit more than the average person. Maybe they have monthly contact lenses they wear for an extended period of time. What you want to do, because you're going to be more prone for protein buildup, is, and this all came out of the same package, okay? There's this contact lens case, a vial, and then there's this contraption. The first thing that you should do is spray this solution into the vial. There is a line that delineates how far you should fill this up. Okay, so fill this container with that solution up to that marking. You will then proceed to put right and left contact into the contraption and screw it down. Okay, right now what you have is a peroxide-based solution. So if you attempted to put that into your eye, it would burn. It would be very painful. You would want to wash your eye out, and obviously I definitely do not put that into your eye. If you use this solution with the other case that we exampled before, or used as our example before, it would still burn. What changes the solution after 6 hours into saline solution is the contraption. So after 6 hours, it's safe for you to put on your contact lenses and not have any irritation. That peroxide will remove all the harmful protein buildup, really make the contact lens more comfortable, and you have less risk of infection.